Hi all, welcome back. In this video, we want to learn how to create campaign and use the promotion which we already created in last video. So for that, just click on merchant tools. Under the merchant tool, again go to the online marketing and first option you can see campaigns. Just click on that. So once dashboard load, just click on new. If you want to provide any specific ID, you can. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is. Just make sure the campaign will be enabled. If you want to be enable campaign from specific date to specific date, you can set that. Otherwise, you can just select no start date and no end date. If you want that promotion will be applicable for specific customer group, you can set that as well. In later video, we can discuss how to create customer groups, source code, and coupon we already discussed. You can go through with that video. But for now, we can leave as it is. And once you scroll down, you can see experience. Inside the experience, we have a couple of options. Inside the experience, you can see a couple of options here. Add a slot, add a promotion, sorting rule, or any search keyword rule. But for now, we can just adding a promotion. You just click on add. So here they ask you select a promotion. You can search for your promotion which you have created last time. So we created test promo. Just select on apply. Once you click on apply, so few options are coming here. Inside the schedule tab, you can see one icon. Just click on that. If you want to create that promotion from a specific date, specific day, so you can configure that as well. If you don't want to run an entire campaign to specific date to specific date, so you can use this configuration because if you set anything here, so that will be applicable for all promotion because one campaign contain multiple promotion. So as a best practice, I suggest you always set time on promotion, not on an entire campaign. If you want to set a specific time for entire campaign or your all promotion will be applicable for particular time, then that time you can use that. So yeah, you can play with that as well. One basic info such as like in campaign you can assign a multiple promotion. If you set start date and end date on the top, so that start and end date will be applicable for all promotion. If you want any specific promotion need to be run at any specific time, so make sure you need to be assigned time inside here. We don't have an option on promotion to configure any time, any start date or any end date. That option will be only visible here inside the campaign. So that's all about schedules. Now in customer group, you can see few options. These three are the standard one, everyone register and register. If you want to create any specific one, you can. In later video, we can discuss about that as well, how to create a customer group. But for now, just click on everyone and leave it. Same as source code. In later video, we can discuss about source code. In later video, we can discuss about the coupon. We have some limitation, like we created a coupon code at product level. So I don't want to be apply any coupon. I just want once that promotion or campaign enable, then user directly see the promotion which is apply on that particular product or any specific category without applying any coupon code. So for this video, we are just creating a campaign with promotion only. In later video, we can use the coupon code as well. At a time of coupon code, you need to select all because suppose you have added any qualifier on promotion level, suppose any class or any specific promotion rule. Once that rule applicable for any product, plus you want the user need to be entered coupon as well. So that setting or that config is make sure that all are in certain criteria, then only that promotion will apply for the customer or user. For that, you just need to select the all. Otherwise, if you want If user apply coupon code that time that promo is applicable, or user come in that criteria that time is also promotion is applicable. So you can just set any, but in that case the coupon code is not make any sense. So that is all about this required qualifier option. Ranking come in picture when you use a multiple promotion in a single campaign. So that time you need to set the priority of that promotion. If that contains same rule or few things are conflicting like promotion rule or something, that time you face that issue. So you can solve out that issue based on ranking. Exclusivity we already discussed, and that promotion is enabled. So yeah, that's all about campaign. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching.